Hello, welcome to a new video. I'm in a place called the Blue Chamber today. It's a nature reserve in the Netherlands, and it's probably more known with bird photographers than it is for landscape photographers. But I've got all lenses with me today, and we're just gonna have a look if we can find some nice pictures here, and maybe we'll end up shooting some birds. But I did find a nice little tree over here, but it's all swampy around it. So I can't get close to it, and there are some nice roots of old bushes in the water here with some ice around it. I tried to get a nice picture of it, but there's not a real nice view to the sunset. So I think we will continue on, look a little bit further, and hopefully we will find something. It has been about -4 degrees tonight. So the ground is all frozen up, except for this swampy area there. But let's see if we can find something nice today. So about 3 months ago, in autumn, I shot a video which was actually recorded on top of this hill there, right in the forest. There's a little gap there, and we shot a video shooting down over this area. So now we came down into this area to have a look if it's worth it. And I've been here once, and it was quite a long time ago. I think maybe 10 years ago. And to be honest, I have absolutely no memory of how this place looked. So I'm just exploring it for the second time, and hopefully it will be worth checking out. So there's some nice bulls over here. They just walk towards us, but they're standing in the light now. So with this bit of frozen white grasses around it, you can make some nice portraits here. So I'm just gonna shoot some of these bulls here and see if we can find some nice images with them. So I'm just trying to shoot some birds in the water over here, and especially there's a white heron on the other side of this lake, and it's far away, but it's actually in a darker part with dark trees around it, dark water, and then this white heron standing in the sunlight. So I'm trying to catch that but I don't know if it's too far away. So I just walked out of the nature reserve on the other side of the road, and there's another part here next to the river Rhine where we walked in, and we just hope to. There are a lot of these wild horses over here, you can see behind me, and we just hope to get a nice silhouette of them with the sun behind it, but it's proven to be very difficult. They're not standing really nice, and a lot of bushes that distract on the background, so it's yeah, really difficult to find a nice shot here. And then yeah, I was just walking back to the gate, but I noticed if you look in the water here, let's see, I hope you can see it. Let's put it a little bit down. You can see the water has now floated into yeah, there's a wave, so it came up, but when the water retreats, all these nice shapes and patterns appear on this little beach on the other side there. You can see it right now, that the water is going away and all these patterns are appearing. So I'm just trying to find a shot here with these nice abstract forms into this picture. So here I am with a lot of wild horses and I'm shooting this. So I found another nice piece of those patterns in the water, and every now and then when a boat passes, the water retreats a little bit and all these patterns come visible, right, like right now. So when the water comes back, you can really nice focus on these patterns, and then I've got a couple of pictures where you have the left side with these layers and the right side with the water. What I actually like most is when you have a shot without the water, and if you look carefully you can get one without any stones in it, so you only have these patterns in the sand. I can actually look at it and think, what is this? Am I standing in the middle of a desert? It's well, there was a drone coming by, but yeah, you have no idea what you're looking at, and that's what I like about these abstract shots like this. And hopefully a couple of those are going to work out fine, but I think I've got some rather nice compositions here. on my way back home I stopped next to those flop planes, and I actually found a nice picture here. And I'll show you on the camera later on, but there's a little bit of ice back here, and there's just one piece of ice that someone broke it, and it's standing straight up into the ice, and the sun is shining in that standing piece of ice. So it's beautiful because everything around it is dark except for this piece of ice that's pointing upwards. So I think it was another ice shot, and it's actually in a little island with some grasses in front of it. So I'm going to try to find a nice frame here, and hopefully this will turn out to be a nice image. But something different, unexpected. So this is the end of today's video. I just took out the drone and took a couple of nice shots. I'll show them after this clip, so stick around. I just walked up this tower and I shot this ice cone that you've just seen down here. So I'm still in the same area, but there's a beautiful line pattern here that I could really see very good with the drone. So happy with those shots. So hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you didn't already, then please push the subscribe button underneath this video, and there's also a little notification bell. If you push that and select all, then you will get a message when I release my next video. I'll always release videos on Sundays, sometimes on Thursdays or Wednesdays, with some extra tips and tricks videos, but the on-location videos are always on Sunday morning. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next Sunday, and bye bye.